Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the butterfly locks. I was a bit hesitant at first because this is my first ever attempt. This is how it looks so far. I think it's okay. Like for my first try, I think it came out well. In this video I'm going to show you how I did it because like I said, this is my first time doing it, so I'm pretty sure if I can do it, so can you. These are really thin. Would it be small? Would this be considered small? Or would this be considered medium? Anyways, what you will need for this video is some Kanekalon hair, the water wave. Guys, please don't be like me. I have a big head. I should have known this. I went and bought three packs of these at the water wave and it wasn't enough. I had to run back to the store with my hair half done to get one more pack. So 4 packs of hair should be good enough for you. If you do want like a smaller size than these, then I'll probably say go 5. So alright, let's begin. What I did was like braid my hair to the length that I'd want the locks to be. Alright, so this is my natural hair. I'm going to braid it. See guys, I'm not a braider. I really am not. So what I do, I'll be considered, so I'll try to zoom in, is I just like basically cut it in. Yeah, like this. Again, I am not a braider. I try not to do it too tight. I just basically, yeah. So just braid that down. So please do not be upset that this is not as neat as it should be, although it shouldn't matter because the hair that you're wrapping around it, so you're going to be wrapping here to basically make the locks, so it doesn't matter if your braid is coming out neat or not. Oh, if you guys want to know, I had the water wave in BG. Pretty sure that's burgundy. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like. What we're going to, I use 2 per locks, so I basically just separate it. How much did I think I get out of each pack? Probably about 9 locks I got out of a pack of hair, I think. Yeah. So what I did, just put the 2 of them together. Again guys, I'm not a professional. I just enjoy doing my own hair. I just want to show you what I did, okay? Alright, so try to go in as close as I can. And I start with this end and I wrap it around the roots of my hair. Keep going round. Alright, then I'm going to start going around with the other one. And it really doesn't matter what side you wrap from, it really don't. I'm trying to grow back these edges, not take them. Oh, now for the little loop thingy, the chops, I guess I heard somebody call them. You put like float a strand here, rub it around your finger, keep hold of it. Alright, I got one loop. And I'm going to, this is what you just continue doing. Okay. As you can see, I didn't do mine like with a lot. Okay. So you're gonna keep doing that straight down the hair. Remember, just put your finger there, just put the strand of the hair. And you just wrap it around. And you let go. Okay, so this is the part that I know a lot of people might have trouble with, because I didn't want to use the glue method or the burning method. So as you can see, I'm just going to start bringing the hair, like I still have a piece in my hand, and just wrap, go back upwards. Okay. I try to knot it a couple times. This end, you just pull it back, start going back up with it as well. Like a little extra thread, not thread, kind of hair. So this is the one I was doing. Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. I just wrap around it just to, you know, tighten it so it won't pull out on you. Like I said, separate the hair. There. Alright, back to the end. Remember, split in two. Go for the first round. I'm going to add some ear accessories and I'll be right back. So that's it. I didn't want to overpower the hairstyle with the clips. Okay, I think it came out really well. I guess for my first time doing this, I think it really came out good. I really do like it. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them down below.